what else I need to do? Well, I didn't do music, so I need to figure out music somehow. Maybe I'll just pop on GarageBand. Okay, I can figure out music that way. And the other one is Ludum Dare thing there. So let me create some audio. Create audio. And then inside audio, create audio mixer, game mixer. And then I really only have a master, but I want another snapshot there. So that snapshot is full volume, and I want another snapshot, silence, and that is that one there. Full volume, silence, full volume, silence. So default is that, and then that one snap is that. Okay. And then in the game, there's a game again. Game. Scripts, game. Create C# script. Let's call it music behavior. And make public audio mixer. Audio mixer. Music on equals. Music on equals player press dot get int music. Default is on. Is that if music on? So if it's not on, then I want to do audio mixer dot snapshot. Transition to, actually I think you can do audio mixer dot transition to snapshots, and then new audio mixer snapshot, bar silence equals audio mixer dot get snapshot. Snapshot and silence, silence, new float 1, new float 0. I want it to be instant. Oh, time to reach is just 0. Okay. Otherwise, play it. Else public audio source, audio source. Play audio source dot play. Okay. Alright. So let's say the music behavior is off. behavior. So audio mixer, audio mixer is that. Add audio source, which is that one there. So audio source equals get component audio source. Require component type of audio source. Sweet. And output is going to be the main mixer group. So go back to game here, and then we need to do game mixer, and let's just do master. There we go. Don't play on awake, and we don't have an audio clip yet, so yeah, we'll figure something out. But if it's off, then that should be silenced. So if I go back to scenes, main, okay, need to have instructions there as well. So music is off, so I click on play game, then inside game controller, that's game mixer. So if I go to audio mixer is not playing. Is that right? So it's -80. Okay, so if it's on, so if I turn it on, then it should be on. So music on, press play, and that's on. Okay. Off, play game, boom, straight down there. Excellent. Okay. I mean, it doesn't play the music anyway, but when you play the spot effects, I'm not going to bother checking to see if the spot effects are there. Alright, let's see if build settings are set there. So I need to add the instructions. Build settings, add open scenes, and then the first one's got to be the game, the main one. Okay. And okay, so it's volume. Play instructions, music. So I don't have any spot effects. I need to do some spot effects. I'll do that just now. And then I need to do the music. So what do I have anything else missing from here? So I've done game over case. I've done the instructions. I've done the options. Haven't done those two. Haven't done those two. They need to get done. We'll do that just now. So in game, canvas, game over panel, highest worshiper level is that, text is that. So if I make that 8, and bring that into about there. Highest worshiper level is about here. And then duplicate these. That's going to be generations reached. Generations, and then that's going to be generations. So inside our game controller, again, for this generation, so in the game over dot text equals resources and resources dot generation. That there, and let me bring that down to 0, and then game controller. Generations. Okay, so now when you end it, it will say how many generations you've done. So do end your turn. There you go, generations 8. Nice worship level, generations 8. Main menu. Okay. So generations as well as work. Where's that? Okay. So I haven't done music, I haven't done sound effects, I haven't done the splash screen. I suppose we could do that just now. I think that's in build settings, player settings. Pretty sure it's here. Splash image, application, splash screen, logo below. Light on dark, animation dolly, preview. Okay, so I need to do another one of these. Okay, so let's do that there. And pick something squarish. Impact's a bit too much. No continue, I think I quite liked before. Maybe I should make that red. What do you think? I kind of like the fact it's that red's there. I'm sure I've seen it somewhere before, but yeah. Okay, so that one's there. And export that. And we'll call that logo splash. Save that. Okay. And then in here, UI, logo splash, sprite, 1.y. Okay. Logo splash. Okay. So what does it look like? If I do a preview. probably get rid of the backgroundy stars things. Export, save that, blah, blah, blah. Save as legacy, that one there. Games, preview. There we go. Okay. Okay, and should probably be a plug for my YouTube channel on there as well. YouTube. Okay, let me put that down in instructions. So if I go to instructions, scripts, scenes, instructions, okay, and then if I go to first page, shameless plug. And have another one there. Put that there. Okay, so both not there, and then if I add button around there, I can open that because I can go to canvas, public button, shameless plug. Unclick add listener, new Unity action. And there. Well, it's clearly not a shameless. That is a shameless plug, but that's not the URL I want. Okay, so that's that. And if we go to scenes, main, excuse me, and then go to instructions, and you'll see there's a shameless plug there. Click on it, and then that will open up. Well, it won't because I haven't set it. Canvas, and then drag in the shameless plug there. Okay, so now when I run it, it will say and open up in the new browser. Good. So instead of having that, you could have tube channel. Go to this. And I think Codus is probably going to confuse people more than anything else. So I will take that out. That there. And then bring that in just a little bit. channels. I don't have channels, I have a channel. Let's just do that there. Okay. Okay, how to play back instructions. My YouTube channel opens up in a new browser, which is good. Back, the game. Okay. In turn, I mean, there's no way to quit the game, but that's okay. You just keep on spamming that and you eventually end up getting them back. Alright. This is probably the most complete game I've ever done for Ludum Dare. And it started off as a really crappy idea. Anyway, alright, let's clear some of this stuff up. So I need to go and do some music now and some incidental effects. And we should probably get in some effects as well. Maybe we could do that. Okay, let me tidy something up first of all. Okay. That's that on there. And I'm gonna push that. Okay, so that's that done. What if I can open a web? If I can have this as a web application as well. Anyway. Game. Okay, so the game, it works. Everything's hunky-dory, but it's not really like interesting to view. So game controller. So that ends there. Update the gauges. Okay, so when you move into dealing with the cards, really want to do that as a coroutine. So it's got to be like deal. So I think that's got to be start coroutine deal cards. Generate method deal cards. What? Private enumerator deal cards. Yield return that. Yield return that. And so those methods there, they have to yield those values. And then this one here, do that. Is that right? I think that's right. Okay, so life, these ones don't have that method. So, enumerator. No. Okay, so for each one of these, I'm just going to return null just now. And then this one here is going to be enumerator yield return No. So the grand scheme of this is it's not going to make much of a difference. The only difference is it's going to come in as a frame separate to that. So it's probably going to look a little bit different. Okay, yeah, it did look a little bit different. It seems to be doing. I know what's happening. Okay. Let's have another one here called waiting on coroutine. And so this one here is going to be state equals game state dot waiting on coroutine. And waiting on coroutine, special case, no handler up to transition to move to next state. Okay, so it's a special case. So special, so very special. And okay, so that's not flicking through everything now, but it is waiting. So it is waiting like a frame for each one of these. So that's good. So now what we can do is we can just drop them in. So we can say planet deck. So the lifeform deck, for example. So the lifeform deck, that is going to go from some position to some other local position. So that's going to go from there to there. So our var end pause equals new vector 3 x comma 0 var start pause equals new vector 3 x comma 112. So that puts us outside of the screen. And then var time equals 0f. Again, we've got this action thing that we need to do all over the place, but maybe we'll just keep doing this. While time is less than 1f, var current pause equals vector 3.lerp, and then it's start pause, end pause, and then time plus equals time dot delta time divided by duration, which I haven't fixed yet, var duration equals 0.025. cb.transform.local position equals current pause, and then so we've done this factory thing before. I'm going to create a new factory for that. Yeah, I'll just leave it as this. cb.transform.local position equals end position. Yield return. Oh, So we're waiting for the next one. That one there. Okay. So that's going to drop the cards in from the bottom there, and then we're going to drop the cards in from the top. Okay. And then that's going to be yield return new, wait for seconds, 0.5, and then we're going to show. So it's going to take about 2 seconds for the cards to drop. See, that's going to be that one there. So I want to do that. Bar for int I equals 0, I less I equals 0, I less than x pos dot length I plus plus. What? Oh, 4. Duh. Okay, so it's going to drop all the way down, and then it's going to reveal the cards at the end. So it looks like you're dealing the cards out. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, doom, doom. Okay. Ooh, maybe. Oh, that's just evil. So we could do like a reveal. Oh, that made the game so much better. So if you don't know what the cards are, then you could like try and like you could show the card. Oh, that would be a good game. Okay, well that's something for future. Okay, and then we got this one here, which is the same thing. So I'm going to grab this here and then go to our planet deck. So instead of that position being there, so the end position is -112, and then the start position is -224. And then we get the same show front thing there as well. So that goes down there. CB show front, blah, 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 blah. So we can go to that show front there. And then that one goes to end position. And then what do we got in here? Got that, which is probably about the same. And then we wait for a couple of seconds to there. Get rid of that. Okay, so now the cards come in from the bottom for the player. Okay, and we need to do the same thing again when we end the routine. So there you go, a little bit more apprehension building up in the game. So we do blump, 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 and then reveal, and then blump, blump. Okay, that's a bit better. So it works the same way. You can just click on that, discard that one there, end your turn. So deal. So we need to undeal the cards. Public undeal. So undeal is going to go the other way. So we're going to borrow this here. So this is the planet deck. And there, undeal. I don't want that. I do want that X. So the start pause is cb dot transform dot local position, and then the end pause is -224, and then so on. Okay, void undeal. Okay, that's going to be an numerator. Return null. So that undeals it. Okay, and then we need to do the same thing for the lifeform deck. Blah, 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 blah. But instead of that, it's going to be 112 is the end position, because that starts at the start position there, end position is there. Okay. Okay, position, and then the start position. So I'm going to say cb.transform.local position equals start position. That way there's no ambiguity. It is always going to be starting at whatever the starting position is. And then inside our game controller, there is going to be next round. So the round over is end turn. Deal cards. Deal cards, start routine deal cards. So end turn. Here we want to do start coroutine and the round. And instead of end turn, end the round does that. Private numerator and the round end turn. Waiting on coroutine. Return if state date equals you are dead, yield return yield break. So we don't want to do anything for end the round for that one. Otherwise, else, you probably got away with not doing this, but well, I take chances of this late game. Yield return planet deck dot undeal yield return yield return life lifeform deck dot undeal state equals deal cards. So we're dealing the cards again. So they go. That's the idea. And if they did that noise, that would be even better. So they all come in. Discard that one. Increase that one. In turn. Okay, well that didn't quite go to plan. That is 121. Planet deck. Wait. Undeal. That's why. That one there. And then the same thing for lifeform deck. Undeal. Where's undeal? Okay. Alright. Should fix that. Discard that one. That one. So some of these are not coming in properly. So I think they that needs to go back to cb dot show front false. I think that needs to get set as well, so that it's always not showing the front. Or maybe that happens at the start. Like that. So it always hides them at the start and end sends them away. Might be a nice effect. Discard that one, multiply value to that one, and turn. Okay. And then discard that one. Okay, that sounds good. Feels good. Okay. It's got a kind of feel to it, so yeah, I think that's good. I might, I don't want to call it a night, but I do need to get the music done, and I do need to get the sound effects done. So I've done the splash start screen. Maybe this is enough. So we still need to do music and sound effects there. Okay. So I'm going to move this up to here. How to play in instructions. I'm just circling the drain just now. It's been a long day. Okay. So I feel like they're going to go over to the side there. Decrease everything by 1. Multiply values by 1. So if I did that and then decrease everything by 1 to that, that didn't work. Increase, increase. So the deal one there, I can fix that in game controller. So in game controller, deal cards, I can do yield return new wait seconds 1. So if I wait a second there, it's going to be a bit of a pause between it, but I think that would be a nicer effect. Yeah, a little bit better. Okay, now we need to figure out so each one of these has got game controller, there's an audio source there, planet deck is there, the life form deck is there. Okay, so I've got an audio source there. Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna go do some sound effects and I'll be back. Scenes, game, and I finished the audio. It's not the best song ever, but it's mine, it's free, I didn't pay for it, I made it myself. So I'm going to do that. There is an island, and then if we go to scenes, main, I don't think I've got audio on. I'm going to have to use headphones because I can't hear it. Speakers on, music on. Okay, play game. Alright, so I've got music. Not sure if you guys can hear that. Probably, actually. So discard, increase everything by 1. I might change that do over to, I might actually change that do over to music on and off because it can get quite annoying. Game, do over. Where is it? Do over button. Here we go. Do over. Let's enable it for a start. We'll make it interactable. And the do over part of it is actually going to be called music on off. Label. Music on off. And music on, and we'll make that size 6. Change that to music on, and then off should fit in there, so on. Okay, and then in here, the menu behavior, this bit here. So game controller, where are we? Game controller. Text mesh pro GUI music label. button dot on click dot add listener new t action blah 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 blah. Our music playing is that. And change it to that. And I called it music label. Okay. And then do the exact same thing again, but I need to know what that is. So I need to have, oops. Full music playing. Okay. And then for that, I need to turn it off. So I need to do music playing equals not music playing. Turn that off, and then I need to set the volume. So that's in the music controller, which is there. Yeah, component, music behavior, music controller dot toggle music playing. This is not ideal, but here we are. Toggle music. Public music on. And then we just need to do toggle music on. A lot of repetition in this code. Me. So it should play music when it starts. It should play music when it starts, but I need to set that up. So that's music. Get that one there, that one there. Audio controller, game controller. Okay, so that's got to be music off label, and then there's got to be a music button there. Okay, so when it starts, I can turn music on. Oh, it doesn't come back on again. Oh, 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 ha, oh, oh. Music on, toggle on. It's not good. Right, I need to find what's that called? Audio mixer is called full volume. Okay. Full volume. Okay, full volume there. Okay. So now when it transitions, so music's on, and I do music off, and I'm going to do music on again. Okay, and turn. Okay. Good stuff. Almost shippable. Okay, so what else do I need to do? Not now. To do. Where's the to do? Music sound effects. Yeah, I don't need that. Music sound effects to do. Let's do that there. And I think we are done. And I'm off to watch Avengers Endgame. Okay. I'm actually quite happy with this game now. I mean, I know it's not much to look at or play, but it's a game, and you can play it, and it does remember things. So that's a good thing. I will remember, though, to toggle the music to there. So awake toggle music, and then let me set that preference. Prefs dot set int music, comma music on 1 or 0. Okay. Okay, so when you toggle it off, it will remember it, which is a good thing. So playing with it on, if I press it off, and when I start up again, it should be off. So the music's off, but it still plays the spot effect. Which is kind of weird. It's a bug I'm not going to worry about. Maybe if I wait time, I'll fix it. But I think we're done. Good to go. I'm going to ship this, and we're all good. Thanks for watching.